Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an Aula F75 and a stable connection. Plug USB in or ensure battery is charged. Once done, install the Aula RGB app for advanced control or skip software and use hardware shortcuts. You'll need to enter color mode now. Press FN plus the designated color key like PRTSC or F1. This toggles the lighting engine. Make sure to observe the current pattern. It tells you whether software or hardware mode is active, so you know which path to follow. Now you customize. If using the Aula app, open your profile, pick a preset or set specific RGB values, and tweak speed and brightness for breathing or wave effects. Once done, assign zones by selecting keys or zone numbers. This lets you map different colors per region. If you chose hardware mode, cycle through color options with FN plus left or right arrows, and hold FN while pressing repeated keys to speed the cycle. Remember, software offers finer control. Hardware is faster for quick adjustments. Finish by saving your changes to the keyboard's onboard memory so settings persist. Use the app Save button or press FN plus S if your model supports it. Once saved, test unplugging and reconnecting to confirm persistence. If lighting behaves oddly, perform a reset. Unplug, hold FN plus S for about 5 to 10 seconds, then reconnect. If problems continue, update the keyboard firmware or reinstall the Aula app and drivers. This resolves most compatibility or profile corruption issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.